I should just take all of my units, expand my area, and then start stockpiling a whole bunch of units in the corner. So that way you have to take that out.
Anyway, let me do the intro real fast.
Okay.
What's up, guys? How are you? I'm back.
Wait, it's already recording.
I know. That's what I'm trying to do. I was being nice and letting you finish your story.
Where were you born? Where were you born?
Ow, I sucked my toe.
Oh!
Don't do it seriously.
And his name is John C.
Are you serious? I wonder where Josh could be.
Definitely not here.
Oh, okay. I'll check in the other room. What's it doing? Oh my goodness. I'm not quite sure that's what you're supposed to do with a wheelbarrow. Hey guys, so the next time you'll be able to see me and Josh is the day I get to have a nice little privilege of tying Josh to a chair. So this should be fun. So I think this is gonna end off the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and Josh, say bye.
Toaster strudels.
Make sure to eat your toaster strudels.